Hello wonderful people, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Anas. In case you are new to this channel, this is Electric Age. If you have questions or if you have comments, drop them at the comment section below, because today we are looking at the conduit piping of television. So whether it is 1-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, or a bungalow or a duplex, we are going to show you how to run the conduit piping. So without wasting time, I want us to go straight to the demonstration. So if you take a look at this drawing already on the board, you will see that we have sketch here. And this sketch will have, it's assumed will have a living room. This is a room. This is another room. This is another room. This is the fifth room. This is the fifth room. The fourth room, the fifth room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 rooms. This is the living room. Now we have a position for the TV here, a position for TV here, a position for TV here, here, and here. And this is a box that's going to help us connect all the pipes together. So firstly, we need to check which part do we have east. Assuming this is east, this is east. This is the place where we run our pipe to. We run it outside towards the east so that the dish can be connected here. So we run our pipe from this east to this box. We run it to this box, and from this box we locate this. This is the sitting room. And don't forget that any place you run your TV, you should make a provision of a socket close to the TV. Close to the TV. So here we have this and this and this and this. We have all the provisions made in each of the rooms. So we're going to provide socket. But before we get to that point, I want to show us this. So here, for instance, this is the master's bedroom. And this master's bedroom, we want another decoder here. For instance, we have another decoder, or we want to put another decoder. A decoder is here already. We're going to put one decoder here. So here we want a decoder. What do we do? So what we need to do here is this decoder, we need to run this pipe from here to this point. From here to this point. And this point is where we need to connect all the boxes. We need to connect this to this. We need to connect this to this. We need to connect from this box to this room. We need to run our pipe to this room. Now we need to provide points of socket close to that of TV. We need to provide point of socket or socket outlets close to each of them. So in this case, why this decoder is here, because when we run our pipe from the receiver, the first one will enter here. The second one will go to this room so that you can operate and change channels here. And we can also run our pipe such that this decoder will send signal to this. This can as well come here and send signal to this. Likewise, all the rooms. So you can get signal from this decoder and this decoder such that the two of them can send signal to each of these rooms. And one can get 2 signals from either this or this. Don't forget that this one is going to send a separate signal. So this pipe should be able to accommodate 2 of these. One coming from here, the other one going that way. So take note of that. This video, I don't want this video to be long. Somebody was asking me a question: how do you run the conduit piping of a television? It is not hard actually. For instance, if this is a downstairs and up there you need to connect your TV, what do you need to do? All you need to do is to find a way to send a pipe from this particular box, from the point where you located this box, maybe at the passage. You send a pipe upward such that it will go up and also distribute to the rooms up there. That is how it is done. So if you have questions, if you have anything confusing you, or you want to know more about this, drop your comment at the comment section below. Coming to the end of this video, please, if you like what we are doing here, try and like our videos, subscribe for more tips.